Hello guys, welcome to the airline review. I am going today by SpiceJet to Goa, and the flight number is SG185. The flight is at 12:30. As per flight radar 24, it's on time, but I don't know from what time. Like it's supposedly to take off from 9:35 from Delhi all the way to Pune. It will reach at 11:45, and then our flight would be at 12:30. So yeah, where I'm standing, the flight might go like that, like from here. Okay. By the way, my friend, you see the other AJ, he has departed to Delhi at 6:30 from Air India Express to all the way to Bagdogra. So he will reach there, I think, by 11 something, 10:30, 11. Yeah, so SpiceJet as well as Air India Express flight review would be coming as I told you. So I'm recording for SpiceJet. So yeah, currently it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and the flight is at 12:30. So I will reach the airport by 10. I will try to film the airport because, as you know, it's a defense airport, so you can't record a lot over there. So I don't think I would be able to record the takeoff, but I will record the cruise as well as the landing for sure. And I will tell you all the times as we cruise or as we land. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so unfortunately I got the iron seat. As you can see, I've got the iron seat. I'm trying to take the landing video because yeah, you can't take the takeoff video as it's a defense airport. But by the way, let's talk about the seat. The seat is comfortable for a normal jet. Yeah, and the feature is that you can also recline the seat as well. And yeah, so like space is also quite nice. I think 5'1", so yeah, it's good for a 5. This is the tray table. Wow, it even gets extended. That's the good part. Nothing is broken in this aircraft. The good here you have the my screen, which I tried to connect but it didn't. Yeah, but it has the in-flight entertainment also, like Air India Express, and I think Goer used to do it, I don't know. But yeah, you can see all the movies here, and also you can book some taxi and all if you want to. This is the menu of the flight. You can see first only have non-veg except for these two. Yeah, tell about this controversial thing if you know what to say, pula or veg biryani. So yeah, and here in under 15 minutes you can get these. Yeah, so I can get only these three things because yeah, our flight is only of 30 minutes. And yeah, above you can get this 2400 also you can get this. Yeah, and it's ready to eat now, the section. So yeah, this is the price of Hyderabadi biryani, 3 cheese pasta. Yeah, you can just pause and look whatever is there in this aircraft for eating. By the way, this is only for 100 rupees in Akasa Air. So yeah, I had tried it. It was good, but if you want to drink something in Akasa Air, it's the hot chocolate. Not of this, but hot chocolate was the best, and it was only I think 90 rupees, and it's 200. You can also get a cappuccino by the way, and masala chai as well. And see here, sizzling hot snacks. You can get these, but I think it would be for international flights or above. I am not non-vegetarian, but I've heard from a lot of people that this chicken chutney in marble bread sandwich is the best sandwich. Yeah, but as I told you, I'm vegetarian, so I'm not eating this. But yeah, this is the best. I've heard like it's the best in Air Asia, I mean Air India Express, Indigo and SpiceJet from a couple of reviewers. And yeah, you can get this all things, even a coconut water as well. So yeah, this is a bit more advertisements. And yeah, the flight means the plane type is a 737-800. So yeah, this is the safety data card of the plane. Yeah, and as well, if you take the tray table down, still you have ample of leg space, and I told you it's extended one, but I have to push it very hard. It's coming out so easily, but pushing it back is so hard. Okay, so yeah, let's put it. And I have found a very unique thing in this aircraft, that in most of the aircraft it's written life vest is under your seat, but here it's in overhead panel right there. So yeah, and one more thing you can find in every low-cost airline except Indigo, means you can find ads, but not right on the seat or on the this overhead bins, because in Air India Express they have ads there also. So yeah, it feels so awkward, but this is a okay thing. Yeah. Okay guys, so our flight took off at 12:40 and it's now 1:10, and the seatbelt signs are on like in 20 minutes. Yeah, 20-30 minutes, half an hour we have in the plane. And yeah, I think we have started our descent into Mopa. And yeah, if possible, if I see a Fly 91 ATR, I will just tell you. I will show you that. Yes, so when we have started our descent, so I will tell you the rating. So yeah, in terms of location, there are 10 pointers out of each have 10 marks, so it would be out of 100. Okay, so check-in performance was good. I am giving it 7 out of 10, and boarding was 9.5 out of 10. It was good. So on time performance was nice. We had a 10-15 minutes delay, so I am giving it a 8.5 out of 10. Onboard menu range was not out, but if you compare to other share, it will be good. But still, as compared to SpiceJet, it's 10 on 10. Onboard menu's price was a bit expensive considering these low fares. So yeah, 5.5. Okay, condition of the aircraft was 6.5 out of 10. Okay, it was a bit some things were damaged. Passenger, like I'm giving 3.5 because there were underneath passengers, and then staff was 9 out of 10. Cleanliness of the aircraft was nice, so it's 10 out of 10. And landing on time performance 10 out of 10 because we are in landing before landing. So in total out of 100 for today's we are giving it 79.5 out of 100. So yeah, it's just 5 minutes. It's good. We have landed at Goa. I don't know the runway yet, but welcome to Goa, guys. मोठा आहे. There you have. And here you have Indigo ATR also. so I will tell you my experience. Experience was good. The airline was best, but yeah, it didn't delay as much like yesterday because the flight was yesterday delayed by 9.5 hours. So I was like scared. So is it going on time or not today? But it went on time. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Meet you in the next one. Bye.